channel Byte Math Academy. Let us start with a new topic of second chapter, rational numbers. Representation of rational numbers on number line. As you already know, there is 0 in the middle of the number line, all positive numbers to the right of number line and all negative numbers to the left of number line. Now what about rational numbers? How to represent rational numbers on the number line? Let us take an example. So I will take only this much part on this number line, that is here 0, here 1. This line can be extended indefinitely on both sides. So if I make two equal parts of this distance, then this is the half part and this is also half part. So I label this point as half. Here two equal parts are there. So total number of parts are 2, that is denominator. And I want only one part, or I have selected only one part. So 1 here, 1 upon 2. Each part represents half part. Now if I divide this total distance in 3 equal parts, then each part is represented by 1 upon 3. That is, this is 1/3 part, this is also 1/3 part, this is also 1/3 part. But how to label these points? So here, out of these 3 equal parts, this is the first part. So 1 upon 3. This is the second part. So 2 upon 3. This is third part. So it is 3 upon 3. 3 1 3, 3 1 3. So it is 1. That is 3 upon 3. Now what about if I want to represent 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3 and so on. So I extended this line. Now after 1, I have taken 2 here. Again divide this into 3 equal parts. After 1, that is 3 upon 3. It is 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3. Here 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 is 2. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So it is 2. Now again I extended this line. After 2, it is 7 upon 3, 8 upon 3, 9 upon 3, that is 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, that is 3. 1, 2, 3. Between this 0 and 1, 1 upon 3 is there, 2 upon 3 is there. Between 1 and 2, 4 upon 3 is there, 5 upon 3 is there. So this is how representation of rational numbers on the number line. Let us move to the next topic. Now let us see rational numbers between two rational numbers. Can you tell me what are the numbers between 5 and 9? Correct. It is 6, 7, 8 and then 9. So these are the numbers between 5 and 9. Then what about rational numbers? How to calculate or find out what are the rational numbers between two rational numbers? Let us take an example, 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. We have to find out what are the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Obviously, you will say 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10. So these are the numbers between these two rational numbers. But we can write this fraction as 30 upon 100 because this fraction is equivalent to this one. When we simplified The result is again 3 upon 10. So 30 upon 100 is equivalent to 3 upon 10. So we can write this fraction as 30 upon 100. And we can write this 7 upon 10 as 70 upon 100. So what are the numbers between this 30 upon 100 and 70 upon 100? 31 upon 100, 32 upon 100, 33 upon 100 and so on up to 69 upon 100. See how many numbers are there. Again, we can write this 3 upon 10 as 300 upon 1000, because again this is equivalent fraction of this, and we can write 7 upon 10 as 700 upon 1000. So the values or the numbers between these two rational numbers are 301 upon 1000, 302 upon 1000 and so on up to 699 upon 1000. So from this we can observe that unlike natural numbers, integers, there are no fixed numbers between any two rational numbers. There are indefinite numbers between two rational numbers. Is that clear? Let us go to the next one. Let us solve the first example. Write any three rational numbers between -2 and 0. So here we can write this -2 as -20 upon 10. I have given 0 here and 0 as 0 upon 10. So -2 is -20 upon 10 and 0 is 0 upon 10. So now you can easily write numbers between these two rational numbers. So there are -19 upon 10, -18 upon 10, -17 upon 10, -16 upon 10, -15 upon 10 up to -1 upon 10. So these are the numbers between -2 and 0. So you can take any three numbers from these. This is your answer. Now look at the second question. Find any 10 rational numbers between -5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. Here -5 upon 6 and -5 upon and 5 upon 8, we have to make the denominator equal. So for making denominator equal, we have to find out LCM of 6 and 8. So what is the common multiple of this 6 and 8? 6 4s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. So multiply this fraction by 4 and this fraction by 3. Now these are the like fractions, that is 24 24. Denominator is equal. So -5 upon 6 now become -20 upon 24 and here 15 upon 24. Now it is easy to find out numbers between these two rational numbers. So -20 upon 24, before that -19 upon 24, then -18 upon 24, -17 upon 24, -16 upon 24, up to this 14 upon 24. So these are the numbers between -20 upon 24 to 15 upon 24. You can take any 10 numbers from this. Let us move to the next. Now the next question is, find a rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Here we have to find out only one rational number between these two numbers. So here we are going to use another method, that is calculating mean. What is mean? What is the formula of mean? The formula of mean is sum of observations upon number of observations. Sum of observations upon number of observations. Here observation means these numbers. So sum of observations, sum of these two numbers, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 upon number of observations. So how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So divide this sum by 2. For addition, we have to first calculate LCM. LCM is 4. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So write down 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. That is 1 plus 2 upon 4. 1 plus 2 upon 4 and divide this by 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 upon 4. Divide by 2. Here 3 upon 4 divide by 2 is same as multiply by 1 upon 2. That is reciprocal of this 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. So multiply this 3 upon 4 by 1 upon 2. Here 3 upon 8. Your answer is 3 upon 8. This is the rational number that is lie between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. So this is the midpoint of these rational numbers. If I draw a number line, suppose here 1 upon 4 and here 1 upon 2, then this middle point is 3 upon 8. So this is your answer. Now we will add some more points to this. If I want to find out the label between these two numbers, that is 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8, then how to find out? Again, calculate mean of 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8, that is sum of these numbers and divide by 2. What is the LCM? LCM is 8. So multiply this by 2 so that we can get 8 here. 2 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 divide by 2. The result is 5 upon 8 divide by 2. 5 upon 8 multiply by reciprocal of this 2, that is 1 upon 2. Result is 5 and the 5, 8 to the 16. So the number between these two rational numbers is 5 upon 16. We can find out the number between these two rational numbers also. Again, for that, take mean of this 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. Three upon 8 and 1 upon 2. Addition of these two, divide by 2. Let us first calculate LCM. LCM is 8. So multiply this fraction by 4. That is 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Divide this by 2. 3 plus 4, 7 upon 8. Divide by 2. That is multiply by reciprocal of 2. Answer is 7 1s are 7. 8 2s are 16. So here 7 upon 16, this number lie between these two rational numbers. So between 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 2, 7 upon 16 is there. Like this, we can calculate as many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. There are countless rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So, I have explained all the concepts of rational numbers. It will be easy for you to solve exercises now. That's all for today's session. Thanks for watching.